Welcome to this installation video for the Peak RailBlazers aluminum railing stair system, available exclusively at the Home Depot. The best railing system just got better. Peak RailBlazers aluminum railing stair system is still the high quality, durable, and virtually maintenance-free stair railing system you love, but now goes together a whole lot easier. So let's take a look at the Peak RailBlazers aluminum railing stair system options and components. Available in a new matte black finish or white, the RailBlazers stair system comes with either standard pickets or wide pickets. Each option comes standard at 6 feet long to be trimmed to fit your space. Not only that, but the new design allows for an easy installation that goes together in minutes. Here are the tools and safety equipment needed for this project. Determine the position of all posts by spacing them equally and ensuring that they are aligned. In most areas, the maximum space allowed between posts is 5 foot 10 inches for residential use. Also ensure that the bottom of your base rail will not be more than 3.5 inches above the post base. For more details and all other applications, please check with our customer service team. Mark the location of the holes to be drilled using the post base as a template. Then drill the holes for the anchoring fasteners and secure the top post. Fasten the top post into position using the provided 6-inch lag screws, making sure that the post is plumb. Next, remove the covers from the rails. Then, insert a picket down through the first and last slots of the base rails, and up into the handrail slots, ensuring that the pre-drilled holes on the rails and pickets are facing up. Align the screw holes and fasten together using 1/2 inch panhead screws. Continue installing the remainder of the pickets in the same way you did for the first two. Install the handrail and base rail screw covers, then secure using painter's tape to prevent them from sliding out during the remainder of the installation. Put the assembled stair railing panel into position along with the bottom post and clamp the rails to the posts. Do not fasten the bottom post yet. Always follow local building codes for handrail height, the size of the opening between the base rail and stair tread, and any other specified requirements. The bottom of the base rail cannot exceed 3.5 inches from the post base. Ensure equal picket spacing at each post. Mark a line on the rails 3/8 of an inch away from the post to allow space for the brackets. Then cut the railing along the marked lines. Reposition the railing panel at the same height as before. Place the base rail brackets in position and mark their locations on the post. Remove the panel and mark the position for the holes to be drilled. Drill pilot holes 7/32 of an inch through the post at the marked position. Then fasten the base rail brackets using the provided flathead screws. Using the railing panel as a guide, place the bottom post in position and fasten it, ensuring that it's plumb. While the railing panel is still in position, mark the placement of the handrail brackets. Remove the railing panel, then mark and drill 7/32 inch holes for the handrail bracket. Now fasten the handrail brackets to the posts. With all the brackets fastened, place the railing panel in position and drill 1/8 inch pilot holes through the rails. Attach the railing panel to the brackets with 3/4 inch screws and slide the cover over each bracket. Repeat these steps for the remainder of your installation and finish it all off by installing post base covers. And there you have it. You've successfully completed your Peak RailBlazers aluminum railing stair railing system. Peak RailBlazers is available exclusively at the Home Depot.